Very cold. We are guys, nagkinlo mi sa sakyanan. Yeah.
Oh, hang on, I've got a scraper as well, I don't know.
It's frosty guys, oh frozen ang gahi guys, oh. Look. Dili siya makakuan. Ang gahi. O, diba? Frosty na naman. Frosty morning. So maghinlo mi sa sakyanan. I do it.
You know what? It's scrapers. I think these scrapers though make it
That's a scraper.
worse.
Yeah.
But you can't drive. It's illegal. I think.
Yeah, you cannot see it.
No, and you
Yeah.
can't. You can get fined.
Ah, fine also. You need to wipe clean clothes.
I know.
This is
I don't know which way you're supposed to do it. So
it's like this.
Just come off, and then I'm going to sit in the car.
Like that?
Yeah. I see you're better than me. You can.
Freezing cold. Nag-frozen ang sakyanan. Frosty. Guys, nag-frost na naman today. Frosty. The snowman. Grabe ang ice. Oy. Nanggahi. Tanawa, Jim. Nanggangking. Nanggahi namin diri guys, char. Nag-aso-aso, ay grabe katugnaw. Ano bang nangyayari? O, tanawa ang atop. Oh. Nanggahi. Nanggangking. Haha. Wala pa man siya hing larga. Akong amiga. Gipa-warm pa day niya. Bye-bye. Work na si Susan. Si Madam Sue. Tanawa sa gawas guys. Oh. Clear man siya. Pero nag-frozen. Frosty. Frosty. Ayan, ang gahi. Hapit ba ako na slide gani ha ha ha. Kay dangog. Dangog manggod siya. Look, dangog oh. The time now is 8:20 in the morning. Keep warm daw. Ingon siya. Keep warm. Musod na ko guys. Kay keep warm daw. Bye-bye. This is my view. Every day. Haha, char. Bye guys. Thank you for watching my vlog.